In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed your Base44 app into Shopify. So, as you can see, I already have my project open here in Base44. The first thing we need to do is ask Base44 to generate the embed code for our app. So in the chat, type something like, "Can you create me code to embed this app into another site?" Since I want to embed it into Shopify, Base44 gives me a few code options. The basic one doesn't include the resize script, so I'll copy the one with auto resize script. Now we're going to move over to Shopify. Once you're in your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the left menu, then click on Themes. From here, click Customize to open the theme editor. Once the editor loads, you'll see your store preview. On the left side, click on Add section. From the list, scroll down and choose Custom Liquid. You'll see a text box on the right where you can paste the code. So I'll paste the embed code we copied from Base44. At first, it might show an error like page not found. That's because we haven't added our app link yet. So let's go back to Base44, and in the top right corner, click on the share icon. Then copy the share URL of your app. Now return to Shopify, find the part of the code where it says your app URL here, and paste your Base44 app link there. Give it a second to reload, and as you can see, it's working. If it still doesn't load, make sure your Base44 app is published. Just click the Publish button in the top right corner of Base44 to make it live. You can also adjust the size of your embedded app by editing the width and height values in the code. For example, width is set to 100% by default, but you can make it smaller or larger depending on your layout. And that's it. That's how you embed your Base44 app into Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides.